Jerry harassed me to come to this conference over, like... It's like a 3-year harassment. Persistence pays off, right? You know, God rewards faith, with substance, evidence of things unseen. So thank you, Jerry. And Jerry's very clever as well, because he realized he needed an extra incentive to get me to come. And that incentive was not pumpkin pies. Although I have been gifted with 3 so far. It was actually, he said Paul Keith would be here. And I was like, I'm there, because I love Paul Keith. Paul Keith is the only guy that I've harassed as well, because we put on conferences in Wales for like 12 years now, and Paul Keith was one of those that we resonated with so much.